Hello. Do you have a declutter hangover? That would be fatigue from decluttering over and over and over again. Do you know how to stop that? Complete the process. That means at the end of decluttering, which is a 15-minute project, at the end of decluttering, you actually need to throw away something that you've identified as trash. You need to put the give away in the back of the car so that on your errand day, you can actually give it away. Cover it with a towel or a box or a blanket so that you or anyone else in your family doesn't say, "You're throwing this away? You're giving this away?" And the last thing is to put away in the proper homes the things that you decide aren't in their homes when you are decluttering. So those are some difficult decisions, but not impossible decisions, and they will prevent you from having a clutter hangover. Make it a great day.